What if I told you that in just a few minutes a day, you could climb stairs, walk farther, and move with the confidence you had 20 years ago? Sounds impossible? It's not. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. These 3 simple leg exercises have helped thousands of my patients over 60 regain the strength and stability they thought were gone forever. And by the end of this video, I'll also share one powerful trick that can reduce knee and hip pain when climbing stairs, instantly. Why climbing stairs gets harder after 60. After we turn 30, we start losing muscle, about 3% every decade. But after 50, that loss accelerates dramatically. This is called sarcopenia, the quiet thief of strength that makes stairs, hills, and even getting up from a chair feel harder each year. Here's the good news. Modern research shows that you can reverse sarcopenia through simple progressive strength training. Think of your muscles like an old bike, a little rusty, maybe stiff, but with the right care, they can run smoothly again. And these 3 movements are the oil, air, and tune-up your body needs to feel brand new. Exercise number 1, the sit-to-stand power move. If you could only choose one exercise to stay strong, independent, and confident after 60, this would be it. It's simple, safe, and incredibly powerful. The sit-to-stand power move trains the exact muscles that help you get up from a chair, climb stairs, and stay steady on your feet. Your quads, the front of your thighs, and your glutes, your hips and buttocks. These are the 2 largest and strongest muscles in your entire body, and they're the engines that keep you moving through life. When they weaken, everyday tasks, like standing up, walking, or climbing steps, start feeling heavier and slower. But when you rebuild them, you don't just move better, you feel younger. How to do it? Step by step. Find a sturdy chair. It should be stable, with no wheels, and ideally without soft cushions that sink. Place it on a flat surface. Safety always comes first. Sit tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your feet flat on the floor and your toes pointing straight ahead. Your knees should be bent at about 90 degrees. Shift slightly forward. Slide to the edge of the seat just enough so your heels are directly under your knees. This position activates the right muscles for the lift. Cross your arms in front of your chest. Or if you need extra support, gently hold the armrests. Now the movement begins. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, press your heels into the floor and push your body up to a standing position. Feel your thighs and glutes doing the work. Not your lower back, not your arms. Stand tall. Once you're fully upright, squeeze your glutes for 1 or 2 seconds to engage those muscles completely. Then, slowly lower yourself back down. Don't just drop into the chair, control your descent. Pretend the chair is made of glass, and you're trying not to break it. Go up fast, come down slow. That's the golden rule. When you stand quickly, you build power. When you sit slowly, you build control, stability, and balance. This combination strengthens not only your legs, but also your coordination, helping you prevent falls and move with confidence in your daily life. How often should you do it? Start with 10 repetitions at your own pace. Rest for a minute, then do another round. If you can, repeat this simple routine twice a day. Once in the morning to wake up your legs, and once in the evening to keep your joints active and loose. In just a couple of weeks, you'll notice real changes. Standing up from the couch becomes easier, your knees hurt less, and those stairs don't seem so intimidating anymore. Pro tip: it's not a race, it's about control. The biggest mistake people make is using momentum, swinging their arms or jerking their upper body forward to launch themselves up. That doesn't build strength. It only puts pressure on your back and knees. So slow down. Feel every inch of the motion. Let your muscles, not gravity, do the lifting. The more controlled you are, the stronger your body becomes. Here's something to remember. Every single time you rise from that chair using muscle power, you're fighting back against aging. You're telling your body, I'm still strong. I'm still in control. And over time, those small victories add up, turning daily struggles into effortless movements again. So don't underestimate this simple move. The sit-to-stand power move isn't just an exercise, it's a symbol of independence. Start today, stay consistent, and soon you'll stand taller, walk stronger, and move with renewed confidence every single day. Exercise number 2, the side step up, balance builder. Now that your legs are waking up from the sit-to-stand power move, it's time to take things one step further, literally. This next exercise is called the side step up, and it's one of the most powerful moves to restore balance, coordination, and lower body stability, especially as we age. Why is this exercise so important? Because it strengthens the gluteus medius, a small but mighty muscle located on the side of your hip. This muscle acts like your body's built-in stabilizer, keeping you steady every time you shift your weight, climb a curb, or walk on uneven ground. If you've ever felt wobbly stepping off a sidewalk or had to grab a railing for support, chances are this muscle needs attention. The good news? You can strengthen it, starting today. How to do it? Find a safe surface to step on. A low step, sturdy box, or the first stair in your house works perfectly. Ideally, it should be about 4 to 6 inches high. No need to go higher at first. Safety and form come before intensity. Stand tall beside the step. Keep your posture upright, shoulders relaxed, and eyes looking forward. Engage your core. Imagine gently tightening your stomach as if preparing for a light tap. Place one foot firmly on the step. Press your entire foot down, heel and toes, to ensure a solid foundation. Push up through that leg. As you lift, focus on using the leg on the step, not the one on the floor. Feel your thigh, glute, and hip muscles working together to lift your body smoothly upward. Meet both feet at the top. Stand tall for a second, steady yourself, and feel the strength in your supporting leg. This pause builds awareness and improves balance. Now step down slowly. Don't rush. Control the movement as you lower yourself back to the starting position. Your body learns balance through slow, controlled motion. Repeat 10 to 15 times on each side. Start at your own pace. As you gain strength, you can gradually increase the step height or hold light weights for an added challenge. Avoid this common mistake. The most frequent error people make is leaning their body sideways or letting their torso tilt toward the step. That reduces the work your hip and leg muscles are supposed to do and can throw off your balance. Instead, keep your upper body tall, shoulders back, and your head aligned with your spine. Think of an invisible string pulling you gently upward from the top of your head. Your movement should be smooth and graceful, not rushed or jerky. Why this move matters. So much as we age, our body's natural balance system begins to weaken, not because of age itself, but because we stop challenging it. The side step up retrains your body to react, stabilize, and stay strong under pressure. Every repetition strengthens the small stabilizer muscles around your hips, knees, and ankles, the ones that protect you from falling. And here's something incredible. Studies show that doing this type of movement for just a few minutes a day can cut your risk of falls by up to 40%. That means more confidence when you walk outside, climb stairs, or play with your grandkids, without that silent fear of losing balance. A quick motivation boost. Here's the truth. The ability to balance is a skill, not luck. You can retrain it at any age. Every side step up you do sends a message to your brain. I'm stable. I'm strong. I'm capable. So even if it feels challenging at first, don't give up. Each step you take builds not just muscle, but confidence. And over time, that confidence will spill into everything you do, from standing taller to moving freely, without hesitation or fear. Remember, every small step today is an investment in your independence tomorrow. So, stand beside that step, take a deep breath, and start your side step-ups. With consistency, you'll soon notice your movements feel smoother, your balance steadier, and your body's stronger than it's been in years. Exercise number 3, the step-down strength booster. This final movement might look simple at first glance, but don't let its simplicity fool you. It's backed by science and delivers powerful results, especially for people over 60. In fact, a 2022 breakthrough study revealed that this specific exercise is one of the fastest and safest ways to rebuild leg strength, improve stair climbing ability, and significantly reduce knee pain in adults over 65. Why? Because it uses something called eccentric muscle strengthening, a smart, controlled way to make your muscles work harder as you lower your body down. That downward phase is where real strength is built. This technique is especially valuable as we age because it improves not only muscle mass, but also joint control and stability, making it easier to walk, stand up, and move without pain or fear of losing balance. How to do it? Step by step. Find your starting point. Stand on the bottom step of a staircase, facing downward. Hold onto the railing lightly for balance if needed. Safety always comes first. Plant one foot firmly on the step. Your toes should be pointing forward and your knee slightly soft, not locked. Engage your core gently to keep your upper body stable. Begin the step down. Slowly lower your other foot toward the floor. Don't drop or rush. Imagine you're moving through honey, smooth and controlled. Lightly touch the floor with your heel. This is not a full step down. It's a controlled tap. Push through the foot on the step to return to the starting position. Feel your quads, glutes, and hips working to lift your body back up. Keep your movement graceful and steady. Your joints will thank you. Repeat 10 to 20 times per leg. Switch sides and repeat the same number of repetitions. If this feels challenging at first, start with fewer reps and build up gradually. Want to level it up? Once you feel comfortable with the basic movement, you can increase the difficulty to boost your results. Hold a light dumbbell in each hand, or wear a small weighted vest to gently increase resistance. This added weight amplifies the eccentric loading on your muscles, which means they work harder while lowering your body, helping you build strength faster and more effectively. And here's the best part. Studies show this type of training is highly effective even in people in their 70s and 80s. Age doesn't limit your strength-building potential. Smart, consistent movement does the magic. A few key tips to protect your joints. Keep your knee aligned with your toes. Letting your knee collapse inward puts extra stress on your joints. Keep it straight and stable. Don't rush the movement. The slower the step down, the more muscle you build and the less strain you put on your knees. Focus on control, not height. You don't need a high step to get great results. Consistency matters more than intensity at the beginning. Why this exercise matters so much. As we age, one of the first things we lose is confidence in our legs, and with that comes hesitation, reduced mobility, and sometimes fear of falling. This exercise helps reverse that process. By mastering the step-down strength booster, you're training your muscles and your brain to trust your body again. You're teaching your legs to absorb impact smoothly, protect your knees, and stay strong with every step. Over time, this simple move can make a big difference. Easier stair climbing, less knee pain, better balance and stability, and more confidence in everyday activities. This is more than just an exercise. It's a way to reclaim your independence and strength, one step at a time. So next time you walk past your staircase, see it not just as a flight of steps, but as your personal training ground. Start slow, stay consistent, and watch your legs grow stronger week by week. Remember, age is not a barrier. It's a reason to move smarter. The secret trick to pain-free stairs. Most people climb stairs the wrong way, and they don't even realize it. If you're like most seniors, you probably pull yourself up with the railing or push straight up with your knees, trying to get to the next step as fast as possible. But here's the hidden danger. That motion actually puts extra pressure on your knees and hips. the two joints already carrying decades of hard work. Think about it. Every time you push straight up, your knees are taking the full weight of your body, plus the momentum of your movement. Over time, that repetitive strain wears down the cartilage, causing the stiffness, burning, or cracking sounds that so many people over 60 describe as normal aging. But what if it's not age? What if it's simply the wrong technique? Here's the truth. There's a smarter way to climb, one that instantly eases the load on your joints and lets your body move naturally again. When you step up, lean slightly forward from your hips, not your back. This small shift changes everything. By tilting your torso forward just a few degrees, you move your body's center of gravity over your toes. That means your glutes and thigh muscles, the strongest muscles in your body, take over the work instead of your knees. It's like turning on your body's power assist. When you climb this way, your legs don't have to fight against gravity. They use it. The movement feels smoother, lighter, and surprisingly effortless. You'll notice that the familiar pain or pressure in your knees suddenly fades away, replaced by a feeling of strength and stability. If you can, try this right now. Stand near a staircase, place one foot on the first step, and before lifting yourself, lean your chest slightly forward as if you were about to tie your shoe. Now push through your heel and rise slowly. Did you feel that difference? That gentle lift instead of a hard push? That's your muscles, not your joints, doing the job they were meant to do. Repeat it a few times, focusing on the smooth motion, forward and up, not just straight up. You might be amazed at how much lighter your legs feel. This small adjustment doesn't just protect your knees. It trains your body to move in alignment, improving balance and posture. Over time, this habit can reduce pain, prevent future injuries, and even restore confidence when climbing stairs, curbs, or hills. So next time you face a staircase, remember, it's not about strength, it's about technique. Lean forward, trust your legs, and let gravity work with you, not against you. Try it once, and you'll feel the difference instantly. Try it every day, and you'll transform the way your body moves for life. If you're over 60, you don't need expensive gyms or complex machines. You just need consistency and the right moves. Do these 3 exercises daily, and within a few weeks, you'll notice less knee and hip pain, better balance, stronger legs, and a brand new confidence on the stairs. Because growing older doesn't mean slowing down, it means moving smarter. So if you're ready to stay strong, stay independent, and keep living on your terms, start today. Comment your age and where you're watching from, and let's stay strong together. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.